This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Okay, Sue, you can open your eyes.
Finally! Wow! This is very unusual.
Oh, it is. Do you like it?
Absolutely. It's also unique. I've never seen a manicure like this.
The best thing. It will match any outfit of yours. Cool, right? So give me your other hand, Susie. Hey!
Sorry, Sammy. They're really very creative. But I won't be able to study or wash the dishes or even craft with these. I'll always be worried about ruining this pretty manicure.
No one appreciates my art. I wish it were possible to change nail designs in a jiffy.
You know what? Give me a second to take off this nail art and I'll show you one amazing craft. Luckily, it comes off pretty easily. Oh, hi, guys. Now that I've removed this fancy nail design, we can get started.
Hey, friends! Didn't you like my nail design for Sue either? I must be losing my grip!
Don't worry, Sammy. We'll need your skills later. Oh, and what's with the scarf?
I just ate ice cream too fast, and my throat is sore.
Oh, no. Here, have some hot tea, and I'll get to work. Today, we're gonna build a nail design machine. And Sammy has just given me a perfect idea of what it should look like.
Huh? What are you talking about, Sue? I didn't give you anything.
But you said you were eating ice cream, right? So, that's what it's gonna be.
Awesome, guys! Give this video a thumbs up if you like this idea, too!
I'm glad you like it. I see you're feeling better already.
A new craft always makes me feel better. Wait a sec. I think you're gonna need these.
Good call. These will help make the sides of our ice cream cones stronger.
Am I a genius crafter or what?
Now, this is what we've got.
This thingy looks like a coffee cup. Would you like an espresso, ma'am?
You're right. So, let's fix that.
I thought it's already finished.
Patience, Sammy. Just a few extra touches and it won't look like a coffee cup. Besides, these will hold the parts of the nail design mechanism. We'll start making it soon, so stay tuned.
Do we need to build a mechanism?
Yeah, but first, I want to create the nail designs. You know, I really got inspired by the characters from the Inside Out animated movie.
Are you really going to do it all by hand?
Do you have any objections? Oh, the great design master?
Not at all, but I'll do it faster than you.
Huh, we'll see about that, mister.
That's right. We'll see.
Before we get to coloring, we gotta make sure the fake nails will stick well. And double-sided tape will help with that. Be very careful working with scissors, friends.
Told you I'll finish faster than you.
Very impressive. Then I'll do this. Now, that's what we've got so far. But we need to finish the rest of the designs.
Master Samuel is ready to help. Yay!
And that's it. Sammy, could you do the honors and show our viewers what we've got?
Sure. Please shut your eyes, guys. And no peeking.
I'll make sure of that. Wow! Guys, would you just look at them? I like these two most.
Oh, that was fun. Now, will you explain why we need this? Huh?
Sure. Now this is the base. Next, we need a strip of paper. Something bright.
Come on, Sue. It's taking ages. Huh? You're done?
Yep. I've just added a bit of the video editing magic. Now, we wrap it around the base like this. and fix it here in the back. See? It can easily slide around.
Oh, I see! That's how we're going to choose the design. Isn't it cool? Then subscribe and don't go anywhere!
Look what I've got here, a foam paper strip. This window will help us make a pick.
Thanks, Tibidubba, for the double-sided tape.
That's true. There wouldn't be our craft without it.
But Sue, a real ice cream cone has a waffle and an ice cream scoop, and we have neither!
You're right. So, I'll use this brown marker to create the waffle effect. Check it out. Done! Now, we need to make one more important mechanism.
We need 2 bottle lids, a wooden stick, and an awl. An awl? Okay.
While Sammy is away, let's cut out a small window over here. And that's what we've got. Oh? What?
Hey! Where did you go? Sue, those lids escaped from me. And also, they are broken.
What do you mean?
They're holy!
Oh, don't worry. That's just how we need them to be. Now, we can insert a wooden skewer, piercing them through. Like this! Perfect! We need to secure it too, but don't use too much glue.
Aha! I think I get it now. What a great idea with this mechanism, Sue.
But it's not finished yet. That's better! Do you know why we need it, guys?
Sue, look, I've made a handle. Now it will be easier to rotate our mechanism.
Thanks!
Ouch! You're welcome.
Now, all we've left to do is put our mechanism inside our ice cream cone. Also, I'll add this piece to the other end of the skewer, like this. And now, it's time for some magic again. Ta-da! What do you think, Sammy?
Cool! Let me show the guys how it works! Ugh! Alrighty, just a second. So, there's this mechanism inside, and if we turn the handle, it starts rotating. Wow! That's it! My job here is done!
We're close to finishing our craft, guys. All we need to do is remove this cover and put each nail in its place in the mechanism, like this. We'll do it with the rest of the designs. The next is…
Wait, Sue! I want to do it!
Okay, why not?
Cool! Okay, here it goes. All done, Sue. Take a look.
Wow, great job, Sammy. Everything works perfectly. Now, I can choose the nail design over here. Oh, I like this one. Then, I place my finger right here in the window, and voila! A new design is already on my nail.
Sue, we don't have the ice cream scoop.
Oh, you're right. But don't worry. We'll deal with it in no time. What can be better than a rainbow ice cream?
Quick, put it here.
All right, all right. Here it goes. Let me just make sure it won't fall off.
We simply have to decorate it.
Oh, I like this idea. And voila.
Oh, it looks so good. I want to eat it.
Oh, it's the best nail design in my life. Just look how bright and awesome my nails are.
Sue, I'm done with the floor. Could you wash the dishes, please?
Ah, sorry, Sammy. I can't. I don't want to ruin my nails, you know?
Seriously? Ugh.
Friends, do you like our craft? Then, like this video and don't forget to subscribe.
No!
Ah, I'd better go.
There! Now your crowd is perfect, and you, Truman, must stand exactly right there and not move a fraction of an inch either way. The inspector will notice.
Is the royal inspection today?
It most certainly is, and everything has to be perfect, perfect, perfect.
Perfectly ridiculous is what it is. We all know Billy is the best princess, so who cares what the inspector thinks?
Are you kidding? If the inspector gives Billy a bad grade, she won't be able to be our princess anymore.
So tuck in your tail and suck in your gut, cat.
What would we do without you, Elizabeth? You know all our rules and traditions.
The right foods, the right flowers, the right positions.
Oh, flowers for the welcoming bouquet. Oh, thanks for the reminder. Fiona, you keep cleaning in here while I go pick the flowers.
Aye, aye, your highness. I mean, countess.
What lovely flowers, Elizabeth.
Why, thank you. It's a welcome bouquet for the royal inspector who's paying us a visit today.
I hear that the protocol this year is to spray the flowers with a dose of perfume to make the bouquet extra fragrant.
Oh, really? How is it that you've heard something about protocol that I haven't?
Oh, just spray her.
Huh?
All right, let's see what it says here. That's not the right teapot. Today is Tuesday, and Tuesday means we use the yellow teapot. Yellow!
Sir Kitty Cat, what's gotten into you? Since when do you care about teapots?
Since I learned we could lose you if we fail in this inspection. It's the inspector. Why isn't Elizabeth back yet?
Introducing the royal inspector.
Your horn is too long and your hair is too short. May I present my greetings to you, Princess Billy?
And may I present my greetings to you, Mr. Inspector, sir?
That won't do at all. Oh, that curtsy was far too quick, by at least 2.5 seconds. What on earth is this? Today is Tuesday. Where is the yellow teapot?
We're not exactly getting off to a great start.
Where's Elizabeth when you need her?
Giddy up, you slimy stallion!
Something's wrong with Elizabeth. We've got to help her. Excuse me, Inspector, sir, but how would you like a tour of the castle gardens?
It's highly irregular to inspect the gardens before the throne room. But if I must... Oh, this won't do at all. This tree has only 356 leaves, when everyone knows it should have 357.
Sorry about that, Inspector.
Countess Elizabeth, what's gotten into you?
Yeah, you're usually no fun at all.
Who is this Elizabeth? Why is she such a drag? Last one to the slide is a doggy donut! Woohoo! Let's go! Yeah! Huh? Oh, what a pretty blue teapot. Oh, wait, what day is it? Shouldn't it be yellow?
Did you see that cloud?
Oh, who cares about a teapot? Let's go have some fun!
She must be sick.
Let's get her to Ed the Wizard. He'll know what to do.
Young man, show me your marching drill.
Most strangely strange, this sneezing. The parfum doesn't usually have this effect.
Did you say her fun?
Yes, it's fun perfume. Parfum. You spray a little off and it'll make you really fun. But she doesn't even remember who she is. Well, in largely large doses, her fun can also make you lose your memory.
Can you change her back?
I've never had to make an antidote. Once someone is fun, they usually want to stay that way. It's my most popular potion. Just today, I sold some to the Prince of the Marshmallow Kingdom, an ogre, and even a snail came in for some.
Sydney, that's why he was in our garden. He must have sprayed Elizabeth with the parfum.
It's the twin princesses up to no good again. They know that without Elizabeth, we'll fail the inspection.
Oh, this is better than we thought. Billy's gonna fail with flying colors.
Ah, you call that a marching drill, young man? Juggling is for clowns, not for knights.
Clowns? Oh, where are the clowns?
And who are you?
Can't you see who I am? Are your eyes closed? Now they are!
Oh, never in all my days have I seen such disrespect. Alfred, what is Princess Billy's score? 0? Oh, I thought we'd be in negative numbers by now. Princess, it's almost impossible for you to pass your inspection at this point. You may wish to begin packing your bags.
And we're here to help. The pandas will move you out, and then we'll move in. Please, sir, give me one more chance to impress you. Let us at least serve you lunch inside.
Well, if you must, but everything must be perfect, or you will fail.
Lunch is served.
A minute late. Are those dinner napkins?
Dinner napkins at lunchtime?
Have you noticed that Countess Elizabeth sneezes every time the rules are broken?
Yeah, for a moment there she was her old self. But then the perfun took over again.
So maybe if we break a few more rules, she'll sneeze all the perfun out of her.
Shouldn't we wait until the inspector's gone? You're doing that enough already.
No, poor Elizabeth needs help now. Who cares about the napkins anyway? I never even use one.
What?
Yeah, I just wipe my mouth with my hand.
I wipe my mouth with my foot.
And I wipe my mouth with my tail.
But that crown belongs to Princess Billy.
Let's play crown toss. First one to get the crown in the soup wins.
Enough! I've seen enough!
That's what we thought. We'll just be taking this throne out and putting ours in.
Put that throne down immediately! It is entirely against regulations to so much as touch Princess Billy's throne.
Thrones? Who cares about thrones? Let's go ride the slide! Countess Elizabeth, you're back!
Back? Was I ever gone? And why is the throne room such a mess? The inspector will be here any minute.
I'm right here now, Countess, and never in all my days have I seen a castle so disorderly with so many rules broken. But I've also never seen a princess who was so willing to give up her crown to help a friend. Such generosity. Well done, Princess Billy. You have passed the inspection with flying colors.
Thank you, Inspector, sir.
Might I add, Magicy is lucky to have a princess like you.
And I'm lucky to have a place like Magicy.